Well, hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in beautiful Homosassa in Citrus County. And if you have been searching for a gorgeous newer home that is move-in ready, offers plenty of acreage, and gives you that peaceful rural Florida lifestyle while still being conveniently located, this one may check all of the boxes. Imagine enjoying extra space, privacy, and room to spread out, all while being just a few minutes away from the Suncoast Parkway for an easy commute to Brooksville, Spring Hill, or even Tampa. Or, how about just being a few minutes away from the Homosassa River, Seven Sisters Springs, or the Chassahowitzka River with access to the Gulf. And the best part, this home offers incredible value for the price. So you're getting a ton of living space, a beautiful setting, and that hard to find combination of country charm with everyday convenience. So whether you're relocating to Florida, looking for more land, simply want a newer home with room to breathe, this property is worth a closer look. So, are you ready to check this one out right now? Okay, so here we are. We're gonna spin around, take a look at the area. Absolutely a fantastic location here in Homosassa. Look at this setting. Isn't this great? That gorgeous 2024 home. Got that tin roof, two-car garage. So what we're gonna do is just kind of ease around the back. We'll take a quick look at the backyard, and then we're gonna go inside. It is such a nice day here. Birds are singing. Hearing them roosters in the background. Okay, so there's a back shot of the home right quick. Got that rear porch. Okay. Nice rear shot of the rear yard. All right. Let's head on inside. The roosters in the distance are really talking today. Love it. Got the covered front porch right here, first and foremost. Concrete pad right here, double door entry. All right, let's go on inside, take a look. This fantastic home. First thing you're gonna see, the fantastic vinyl flooring. Look how pretty this is. Nice high ceilings. All right, so we're gonna start off, we're gonna head towards the primary bedroom. It's a good sized room. Vinyl flooring extends in here. Plenty of room. The front windows right here, letting in plenty of light. Over here, tucked in a corner, primary bath. Vinyl flooring extends in here. The 6-panel doors. Wonderful stand-up shower. And then right here, you've got the double vanity. Shaker cabinets. Look how pretty that is. Solid surface countertops. And get a load of this shower. Look how pretty that tile is. Isn't that gorgeous? So nice. Another angle here right quick. And then we'll look at this Large closet. Got the vent right there. Plenty of lighting. Let's move along. Look at the size of this area. So large kitchen. Did I mention large kitchen? Look how pretty this kitchen is. Look at those cabinets. Got the large cabinet, the uppers. Plenty of storage. And one of the largest islands that I have seen in a home. This is fantastic. And again, you got the solid surface, countertops. And right here, soft closed drawers, gotta love it. Storage underneath, right here. Got an outlet right there. Right here in this corner. Look at all that storage. The remaining appliances. It's a Whirlpool right there. Then a Whirlpool stove. Get another angle, all the storage. The size of this island, this is fantastic. Stainless dishwasher right there. And then the Whirlpool fridge. Okay? Look at that nice view looking out the backyard. This rear porch area. Okay, so right here, got a great pantry area. Right off this kitchen. Vinyl flooring extends in here. Kind of move this door a little bit so you can kind of get an idea. Plenty of room in here. And then behind me is the utility area. Where you have your washer and dryer hookups, and you have a sink right here as well. All right. Continuing on, I'm going to check out the garage while we are here. Large garage, concrete floor. There's your HVAC system for easy service if need be, and then a large water heater right here. Extra support on the garage door. The size of this garage. And then you've also got storage upstairs right there through the attic. And here's your garage door opener. The electric panel is right there, and then access outside. Okay, let's continue on. Great porch area. Your dining room combo area right there. And then your living room area right here. Plenty of room. It's a large TV. Got a sectional. Good looking ceiling fan. Get another angle right here. Okay. And then right here, first room on the right-hand side technically is the office. No closet in here, so it is just an office. You could use this as a bedroom if need be. But there is no closet. All right, move along. Cut to the right. Got a bedroom right here. Vinyl flooring extends in here. 6-panel door. Pretty ceiling fan. This house is so clean. It is so neat. Okay, then right through this door, just a quick look at the closet area. Kind of give you an idea, okay? And then we'll move along. Plenty of room in there. Okay, so let's move along. To the right, the bathroom area. Above my head, air return, and then also access to the attic right here. Little coat closet right here. Or actually, I guess technically a linen closet. And then the second bath. Double vanity, matching cabinets to the kitchen, the white shaker cabinets, solid surface countertops. And then again, fantastic tile shower. What a gorgeous home. Okay, then right here, third bedroom, good sized room. All good sized bedrooms in this home. Plenty of room. All right. Good sized room here. We'll flip around for another angle. And then right behind me, is the walk-in closet. Okay. Well, I am Shane Howland, ShowMeFloridaHomes.com. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can absolutely ask me in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and my phone number is right there at the bottom of your screen. Reach out to me anytime, 727-378-2427. Talk or text. Call me anytime. Shane Howland, ShowMeFloridaHomes.com.